Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today, we have a fun art project from Miss Magruder, an art teacher from Missouri. Hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, I'm Cara Magruder. I teach art here at Richmond Middle School in Richmond, Missouri. Today we're going to be making an Agamograph. So to do that, we're going to need markers or something to color it in with, some scissors, a pair of pencil, a black marker to outline, double-sided tape, a ruler, and 2 pieces of 9x12 drawing paper. I'm going to set that one off to the side, and we're going to get started by taking one of them and folding it in half. And then we're going to draw on half of your paper one design or image. I'm going to be drawing this little chicken on one side. Now on the other side, we can make a copy of this guy. So we have 2 images that are the same, and we could color one with warm colors and one with cool colors. Or on the opposite side, we could draw something that would kind of go with our chicken, like an egg. I think that might be fun to do. After you have both pictures drawn, you're ready to cut them up into 1-inch strips. To do that, we're just going to flip it over, and on the back side, we're going to mark every 1 inch at the top of the paper. And repeat at the bottom. Now we're just going to connect those dots. My left hand will be in charge of the ruler. Spread it out so that it doesn't move. Hold my pen lightly at the top and slide it down the ruler. Make sure that you can see both points when you start and when you stop. I'm just going to cut it up along those lines. Go right on the line. Go ahead and reassemble my chicken. I'm going to repeat the process over here with the egg. Now we're going to take these 2 pictures and put them back together as one picture. So we're going to do that on the 9x12 piece of paper. And we're going to begin by taping first the egg, then the chicken, then the egg, then the chicken, all the way across. So I'm going to take one strip and just take a piece of double-sided tape, tape it on the back of my strip there, put it on the edge of my paper. So in this case, egg comes first, then the chicken. Put another piece of double-sided tape on the back of this strip. And I just line it up right beside the first one. We want them to be close, touching even, but not overlapping. If they overlap, then it won't fold correctly when we get to that step. So we have to make sure that they're not overlapping each other, but they are nice and tight beside each other. We're gonna put on the egg next. All glued down or taped down in order. It's going to look a little bit crazy, but that's okay. You're just going to go ahead and fold it now on the lines. And you're going to do an accordion fold or fan fold. So you go back and forth on the creases. After you get your Agamograph finished, it's going to look like this. So if you look at it from one way, you'll see the chicken, and if you look at it from the other way, you'll see the egg. Have lots of fun making your Agamograph. Come up with lots of interesting combinations. Any two pictures will work, so use your imagination and have fun.